Hello teachers and guys, I'm gonna tell you about my last trip in Europe. That was a great excited travel. Okay, my last vacation, something that I never forget. So I was in my last vacation in Europe on spring for around 25 days. All my trip was a cost between $700 and $1,000. There, I was in Madrid, to Spain's capital. That is a beautiful city full of parks and very grateful places to visit. I stayed there for around 3 days, and then I went to Geneva. The city is located in Switzerland. So now I'm gonna tell you some advices if you go to Europe. Enjoy the best weather in Europe, but don't forget. This is a picture, Mercedes-Benz car. If you go to Madrid, it is necessary that you get a fresh body lotion. It is sunny and you go on in summer. And it is important what you wear a sweater when you go to Brussels. There, the weather is changing constantly. It's a good idea that we bring a camera when you go to Berlin. There are very beautiful places there. You can get beautiful pictures if you want. It is recommended that people who visit Rome have a tourist guide who show all the city. It is good idea that they buy a multiple ticket for traveling by public transport. It is recommended that you ride a bike for going around the city. It is important that you have all of the documents necessary for traveling to all those countries. It is important that you drink a lot of water when you are walking up on summer. Advices for a pleasant trip in Europe. You should go to every tourist places around the cities. You should travel on low-cost airlines when you are going country by country. You should have a tourist map where you can see where always are you. You shouldn't say lies about what is your traveling intention. You shouldn't stay in any city without bringing money with you. You shouldn't travel if your passport has expired. Okay, guys, that's all. Thank you so much, and see you there. Remember, my name is Jackson Julian. I'm 35, and I'm living alone. It's a pleasure to talk with you. See you then.